Hi, my name is Clara Carter, Partner Development Manager with Carahsoft Technologies, supporting our Amazon Web Services practice. On behalf of AWS and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast for our federal podcast series, where Steve Porowski, Group Vice President at TTEC, will discuss Connect and FedRAMP. Steve has directed projects for numerous organizations in the federal and commercial sectors. He brings 20 years of experience in contact center design, build, and operations. His projects have included CRM strategy and operations, operational and IT readiness assessments, customer analytics, system development and integration, and implementation. Steve, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, guys.
So I'd like to ask you a few questions, if you don't mind, around your expertise with Connect and FedRAMP.
That sounds great.
Perfect. So my first question is, who is VoiceFoundry and TTEC digital company?
So VoiceFoundry is an Amazon or has been an Amazon Connect partner for many years. And VoiceFoundry was acquired by TTEC mid-2020. And VoiceFoundry joins the TTEC as Amazon's #1 global provider for Amazon Connect professional services implementations and post-implementation support. Overall, TTEC provides customer experience strategy across the globe with over 60,000 employees, $2+ billion in revenue operating on 6 continents. And when we think about TTEC, there's 2 big components of our customer experience or citizen experience as a service offerings. We call those digital engage. And the digital part of the business is closely aligned to what VoiceFoundry has been doing, is enabling the ability for contact centers to operate using best-in-class technologies.